Look who's working.
Yeah, what you talking about?
Talking about you working.
Yeah, I'm working, so what?
What are you working at?
Stop.
What are you
I'm
working
trying to do a paper. Stop. Yeah, when you got one more time, I'm gonna cut your fingers off.
I just want to see you about last week.
Nobody care about last week.
I do.
I don't care about last week. I was here last week. I know what happened.
Okay, I still want to tell you.
See, the things that I'll tell you will blow your mind. Sorta like your mind was blown at curriculum night. I might go very slow, so you'll get this right. But realize that I said I might. You know I had so much fun, but where were you when FFA was cooking out away from school? Oh, I believe that you was home making ramen noodles. I'm just joking, but what did you do?
I was kicking it with FTA, attending this little thing that they been calling Shadow Day. While clubs with me in the prom committee was chatting, and majoress were getting done with auditions and dancing. I was attending something that you would hurt to miss, which was something that you loved, called the Auburn Anglers Tournament. Hope you enjoyed your time eating all of your food, cause I was here with my people and my precious Roman noodles.
Can you go away now?
Yeah, sure. Bye.